compressor's going. We'll just wait. Alright, so the air compressor just shut off finally. To those of you who've been following, welcome back. We got an update on the V-Plow video. If you guys haven't been following the channel, make sure to check out the video prior to this where we got the new plow, we're putting the wings on and ran into some issues. We got a bunch of snow plowing videos, equipment videos, landscaping, things like that videos. Check out the channel, hit that subscribe button, and hit that like button if you guys like this video. But anyways, let's get into it here. We've got a solution after talking to the dealer on the phone who didn't know a whole lot about the situation, never experienced it before, referred me to just call boss directly and see what they have to say. So basically, to sum it up, for those of you who didn't see the last video, these go on the plow for the wings. We're putting the extensions on, and they're not fitting over the end of here. Talked to the guys at Boss, and they say that is because the powder coating is too thick here, which is kind of what I thought. And you can see I've chipped some of it off there. So basically they said just keep chipping it off and yada yada yada. This has got to be ground down and then it fits, which is what I did. I kind of got it ground down a little bit, and I got the other one and I pounded it on and I got it to this point up here, and then it slid back and forth freely. So there is just an excess buildup of powder coat here on this piece of the extensions. Now, with that being said, I know in the last video, being a big dumb goof, I put these on the wrong side. Had a few people tell me that. Yes, I know, could just put them right on the other side. I realize that now. However, I'm actually going to argue that. I haven't tried it yet, but looking at this weld here, it looks like it might be a little close for how much room is here. I don't know if it'll fit on the other side. We're going to find out though. We're going to find out, see if we can fix that. Because we were talking that these don't quite sit with the edge of the plow. So, had to bend them. We're going to see if we can fix that though. I'm going to grab this other wing here, but we're going to talk for a second about grinding this stuff down. Now, I don't know about you guys. Hold on, let me grab this wing, bring it over here, set it down, and then we can talk. Alright, so basically I wanted to say is the issue I have with this is I spent $800 some on these extensions, and now I get them back here, put them together to realize that I have to go and grind off the powder coating that Boss messed up. When I talked to the guy on the phone, they said that's really the only solution to it. They experience it with like 1 in every 100 or something like that. This will happen. It's not super common, but it is something that can happen from time to time just from some type of flaws in the powder coating. More or less said they weren't going to send me new wings. I can do this or whatever. So from my experience in customer service and in business, that is not really a good way to handle it. Extremely disappointed with Boss at this point, to the point where I'm considering, if we got to upgrade new plows, switching to somebody else. So taking recommendations for new plow manufacturers. Comments below, who do you recommend? Western, Fisher, whatever, you know, anyone. Let me know what you guys think of different plow companies. Love to see it in the comments below. But really disappointed with Boss in this, because why should I have to go spend $800 on something that, mind you, my biggest concern is this is going to be out in the salt, out in the snow, worst conditions for metal, and go grind off their nice powder coating down to the bare metal and then put my own spray paint or paint on it thinner like it should have been in the first place. If they don't see the issue with that like I see it, the point where this is now going to be a serious failure point for rust and the like, and it's never going to hold up like everything else. It's not an OEM product anymore because it's had to been ground off and whatever. It's not going to hold up well, and that extremely pisses me off. And the fact that that's like how they would handle it pisses me off a lot. So, with that said, I'm just going to deal with it. I'm going to do it. It's what I can do. I'm going to do the best I can with what I got. What do you do? But with that said, anyone else thinking about purchasing a Boss plow, anyone else thinking about purchasing some wings or something from Boss, I would highly recommend you think about checking this stuff before you open the box, and don't accept a box that something like this has to be done, because it all came in the crate if you saw the other video, and I should have opened it up and I should have checked to make sure everything would fit, which you'd think this shouldn't be an issue, so it's not something common to check. But I would think twice, honestly, and I am going to think twice about working with Boss again in the future. Not to mention, I guess the truck's outside and it's dark, you can't see, but the plow rack I repainted, sandblasted, and I want a new Boss sticker for the front. I emailed them and asked them, yeah, can you send me out a sticker for it, whatever, and they're like, oh yeah, you got to fill out this online freaking thing, whatever, fill in the serial number and stuff for your plow. I'm like, it's a sticker. Just send me the sticker. We've got 2 of your old plows sitting here. We just sold an old one and just bought a brand new one. Send me the damn sticker. I mean, we've bought Boss plows forever. Why can't you just send me the sticker? What's a guy got to do, you know? So, honestly, kind of disappointed with how this has all gone. Extremely disappointed, really. All I gotta say is I hope that the product itself is as good as the other products that we've had in the past from Boss. Love their quality. This whole process here has been a total pain in the butt. Really not liking it. Gonna look pretty seriously at Western next time I have to get a plow, honestly. Gonna look pretty seriously at Western, so. With that said, let's move on. Let's get going on it. That's kind of my rant, just getting that off my chest. Pretty pissed off, so yeah. So you can see I've ground down pretty much all of the paint off, and barely fits. That's about as far as it goes. So we are probably going to end up calling Boss back and have them send out new wings, because this isn't going to work. Because I'm not doing that to both these. So they're going to have to figure it out. There's no way I'm going to have to take this all the way back to here. Not to mention it still doesn't fit right with powder coat on both pieces. So you can see the one that I took all the powder coat off of on the inside does fit right. Okay, so obviously, as you saw there, the way the guy described it made it sound like all I gotta do is grind a little bit at the end and the thing's gonna slide right on and be just fine. Clearly that's not the case. The paint's gotta come off the brackets too completely, and then it's still tight, and it's like, I'm gonna call him back tomorrow, try to figure this out, try to make it work. I don't know. I ground a lot of material off there, as I showed you guys, and it's just disappointing. So I'm gonna call them, try to figure something out again. We had 3 to 4 inches of snow up north, like I was saying earlier. So I mean, snow's on its way. It's gonna be, the highs for the rest of the week is below freezing, so snow's definitely on its way. Got to get this figured out, and got to get it figured out soon, because we got stuff to take care of, and having these wings is gonna be helpful. So with that said, I think I'm going to wrap this all into one big video. So we're gonna jump right now to tomorrow, when Boss is open, and I'm gonna give him a call, and I'm gonna record the phone call so you guys can see what the hell I'm dealing with, because I don't know. Hopefully it goes a lot better in the phone call today. So I'm pretty much at this point saying that these things have got to be sent back and something's got to be fixed, because this is ridiculous that I got to do any of this. Ridiculous to do in the first place, but I was just going to do it if I was going to be able to get them on and call it good. But obviously it's going to take a lot more grinding and eliminating powder coating than what it really should. So let's go ahead and just jump right to the phone call tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're going to go into Fleet Farm here, and I'm going to show you a little plowing hack that I learned from my dad. Got to give him credit for that, otherwise he gets upset. So I'm going to show you a little hack on how to save some money for your snow plows. Alright, so here they are. Here's the little hack. It is this snow plow part made by, you can read that, snowplow aftermarket manufacturing, and at Fleet Farm here it is only $20. If you go to buy your shoes directly from Boss, it is $41 according to their website. I believe Fleet Farm's website actually has these for $15, so we're gonna see if we can get them for that. Yeah, just an easy way to save a couple bucks, plus you can get them at your local Fleet Farm if you guys are in the Midwest. Otherwise, go online, order them cheaper, and they still work on your Boss plows. This is what we got, so I'm gonna buy 4 of these guys just so I got an extra, and gonna roll with it. Alright guys, total score, $15.95 plus tax was $51 for 3 of them. Just got 3 for now. May break one, may not. Pretty sure those only take 3. The VXTs take 3. Not sure about the DXTs, but I'm pretty sure it's 3. Anyways, 51.90 something, $52. And Boss online, the cheapest I found the Boss ones was $31 a piece. So I'd say that's a total win. I would highly recommend using those instead of the other ones. The only thing I noticed, there wasn't a whole lot of like washers on there. May need to get a couple more washers, that's the only thing. We'll see how it works though. The other thing is, once they get wore down so far, we end up just welding on the bottom of them, and then they work pretty well again. Some sweet blue headlights there, huh? Yeah, so that's kind of my little tidbit of information to save you guys some money. Definitely save me some money. Gotta love that. So, Mills Fleet Farm, $15.95 on sale right now, November 4th, 5th today, November 5th today. Get them while you can. Alright guys, next day, here we are. Basically, to sum this up, called Boss, got it squared away. They're gonna warranty everything. It's all gonna be warranted. So I'm gonna bring those wings back to Rob up in Ashland. He's gonna get them swapped out. We're gonna get new wings. He's gotta order them though, because he doesn't have them in stock. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit. Unfortunately, that's pretty much gonna mark the end of this video. As you guys just saw, went to Fleet Farm, got a new set of shoes. Like an idiot, I just figured these only required 3 shoes like the VXTs, but because they're the DXTs, they do require 4 shoes, so I'm gonna have to pick up one more. I was gonna buy them all, and then I was just like, whatever, you know, they'll have them there, I can come back and get another one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go back, get the other shoe. You know, whatever, is what it is. But basically with these shoes, guys, here they are here. 1303200C, that's the part number. They will work on these. They didn't have any specific Boss ones there. They say they're Western, so, you know, but they will work. The only thing is we're gonna need a couple more washers to bridge this gap. Fleet Farm sells washers by the pound, so whatever, it's cheap, get them. Still cheaper than buying Boss shoes. So I gotta pick up a few more washers, gonna do that, and then we're gonna have the shoes on, ready to go. And we should be set that way. So clearly this thing didn't stay clean after I pressure washed it. I don't know what the heck happened. So whatever, it's just sand. So probably gonna wipe it down a little bit before we put it away. But it's unfortunately gonna be a little bit of time because, you know, with the wings and everything, got to get them ordered. But thankfully, I know yesterday I was pretty pissed off about the whole situation and the guys I talked with at Boss. And I'm still a little upset because the guy on the phone I talked to up at Boss, directly at Boss in Ironwood, Michigan, said that I can't guarantee that if I warranty them and send new ones, that they're going to work any better. So, you're selling somebody something that doesn't work. How can you not get, what do you mean? You're not going to guarantee that it doesn't work. You know, it's like, come on, what the hell? So, still kind of pissed about it, but right now we're just going to play it out, see what happens. Hopefully it all works out. Hoping it all works well. They say it's not everyone has the same problem. It's an uncommon issue. So hopefully it all works out. That's all I can hope for right now, and we can just wait it out. Shouldn't need these for a while anyways. We should be fine without it. And even if we do get snow, we can just run the plow without the wings. So should be fine. But hopefully it all gets squared away, and hopefully Boss handles this properly. And hopefully these guys fit on the other side. We're gonna try doing that later. I don't have the time to do it now. It's at night. It actually was just snowing outside, so getting pretty excited for plowing. That's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of how Boss has been handling this and how this stuff all goes together. I know everyone's really passionate about what brands they like, so I like to hear what you guys have to say about Boss and what they're doing here with these wings and this whole situation I find myself in. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should do or what you guys would do if you're in this situation. Love to hear the input. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see what happens and how this whole story plays out. It's just a matter of time now, waiting for stuff to get in stock, waiting to deal with it that way. Also, if you guys haven't already, link in the description below. New Instagram page people have been following, our Shifsky Landscaping page. And I've got a bunch of messages from guys on that page too, asking questions and things like that. I've got my own personal page now, Carson Shifsky. Follow me on Instagram there if you guys want to connect or reach out to me. Send me a message there. Otherwise, my Snapchat's also in the link below. Add me on Snapchat. Add me on Instagram for constant updates and stories pretty much every day, stuff like that. So you can also follow there or reach out to me there if you guys got any questions or want to talk about something. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's connect. We'll see you next time.